This is the Honda Clarity and the key fob of the Honda Clarity. And in order to change the battery, if you need to do it if the car doesn't start or says you have a low battery, you need to take out the metal key first. Here is the lock for the metal key. So push it to the side and you take out the metal key. And here in this fob, you have a cavity. And you can use, actually you can use a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, or you can use this key, insert it here into this cavity and twist. And after you twist it, you unlock the key and the battery. You can take it out with your hands, but actually a small screwdriver or something will help. And when you take out this battery, you can just install the new one. It's CR2032 battery here. You can buy it in any supermarket, but make sure it's a good battery, like a $2. Don't buy those 50-cent batteries that will not last even 3 months. And then after you're done, you just press firmly this key fob from all sides and make sure it clicked in all locks. And then what's left, put this metal key inside and lock it. That's all.